What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is my friend Sam. And then I got a box.
And it's a mouse.
Got the knife. Sam, since you're older, unbox it, please. I don't trust myself with a knife.
I don't even think this is sharp enough.
Really? You don't think it's sharp enough?
No.
Yeah. No, you're going to break it.
No,
Whatever's in there is going to break. That's not how you open a box.
I don't care, bro. I want to use a knife.
Dude, that means you're gonna ruin like a $65 mouse. Okay, I think I might be a little bit more talented in boxing.
Yeah, wait. I know how to do it, I think.
You just gotta cut the sides. You don't have to cut the middle.
Imagine if I did that. Cut the side.
Yo, you gotta... Sam, you've never opened a box before, have you?
No, I have. It's just I haven't done it in a while.
So, like, which...
Oh, that's how you open it? I just cut it straight down the middle.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Old school Flappy Bird folk. And then, I'm just gonna rip off the top out because I don't care. There we go. Hi, Mom. We're making a video on unboxing it. And here it is! Why'd you...
Sorry, I'll take the dog.
Here it is. Oh my god, I almost sat on the knife.
Give me this.
Die. Go to solitaire. No, it's a knife.
I don't care, bro.
There's not go.
I'm just gonna stab it into your PC.
Don't stab it in my PC. It costs a whole lot of money. All right, here it is.
Wait, let's see how fast we can click it. Let's
Here is the
play a game of Geometry
Logitech
Dash.
G5.
Let's play a game of Geometry Dash and see how fast we can.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know how to open this thing. It's so crazy. Oh. Here it is. It's so cool looking. Look at this.
I have your mouse.
Oh, it sounds so good.
Maxie down. Can I have this one? Hunter?
Yeah, you keep that one. So this is the mouse that I'm currently using.
And
this thingy.
it's not bad, but you know.
Not as good at gyro clicking. I like this one because it's super good at gyro click.
Wait, I wanna try it.
Oh, I almost ripped off the side.
Here, wait, let me see.
I suck at gyro clicking anyways. And this is probably the bottom strap or whatever it's
I
called.
don't know. Well, let's unwrap this and let's play a game of Geometry Dash.
Yeah, okay.
I mean,
no, keep it like that so it's shorter, I guess. So, Sam, take the camera.
boy.
Here we go. Here's the Logitech G5. I'm just gonna plug it into my computer right here.
This kid's obsessed with baseball. People can't already tell.
That bro, it's insane looking.
Yeah, look at that.
Look how cool. And here, I had fun once. It was awful.
Why was it awful?
It was never awful.
Because Ellie bit your hand off.
Ellie would never bite me. She has bitten me before, but like, oh my god, it feels so comfortable. Holy crap.
Wait, let me
That feels so
Here,
good.
Take this.
Oh my god. Doesn't it feel so good?
So nice.
So, let's open up Geometry Dash. So I'm probably just gonna like maybe play like Finger Dash or something.
I don't know. Let's just, you know.
What do you want?
Let's do an easy level and then let's do like a demon.
There's no way I'm gonna be a demon.
I mean, you have before.
I have. So maybe try easy.
So let's do an easy first.
Let's try reach.
Do sonar.
Oh my god! Listen to that.
Oh, that's nice.
That's how you can tell that there's no.
Alright, let's try sonar.
I'm gonna try retry. That's super easy. Yeah, I gotta get used to this thing. Oh!
He's been waiting for this all day.
It was supposed to come tomorrow, but I guess a UPS was nice and brought it today.
Because since GameStop is closed.
Yeah, it's super smooth. I just gotta get a feel for it.
See, but
I just gotta get a feel for it to start, like, you know. I just gotta get a feel for that. That's why I'm so bad right now. I just gotta get a feel for it. Holy crap! It feels so like so
I'm just
clean.
gonna rest my
Why are you resting your arm on my head?
Because you can't really see it, you know.
It just feels so weird, like so good, but like weird in a good way. Try jerk click.
Nice.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video now. But I'm saying, bro, get a Logitech G5. It's so good, bro. I love it.
I mean, it's not that expensive either. It's like $60.
About maybe 100, depending on where you're getting it. Just like look at that silver there.
But you can jitter click.
I'm not a good jitter clicker, but like yeah. So that's the Logitech G5 for you. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Yeah.
Just, you know, we weren't gonna do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna give Sam that mouse. It's very comfortable. I think it has a great weight to it. So I'm gonna end it now. So bye.